Welcome back to Heaven of Aromas. This week we are going to talk about our essential oil cures. I came across people asking me, are essential oils able to cure diseases? The answer is no. Essential oils do not cure diseases. One of my very good friend Ruchita was asking me if I am treating people using essential oils. Well, she's a soap maker and she uses essential oils for making soaps, which is another huge industry where these oils can go. But for now, we will stick to therapeutic purposes only because I feel this world needs better living more. So now let's address this because this is really important as you begin using essential oils for better living. Are essential oil cures? Benefits of essential oils are best realized when used as a supplement to other treatment protocols. So remember this. I have had people ask me before, Vivek, do essential oil cure cancer? No, they do not cure cancer or any other disease. Now, they have been showing in vitro studies, potentially in even animal studies, that they fight cancer cells. That doesn't mean they cure cancer. It means that they potentially have great benefits in supporting somebody who is going through a holistic cancer protocol or a conventional treatment under a treatment of a medical doctor following standard medical protocols. So remember, these are part of protocols. So if somebody had an issue, I will give you my own example. When I had my accident in 2015, I underwent surgeries, which was a major health issues. In addition to the medical treatment, I was using essential oils every single day. In addition to that, I had juicing vegetables and fruits with mutton bone broth soup every single day, lot of fruits and supplements, building peace in my life. It was an overall program. So it's important to remember, if your health is in your hands or somebody's you love, it's important to recognize that essential oils should be used as a part of an overall program, whether be a standard or a natural protocol. Remember, their use can enhance your life, but they are not cure-alls. Again, I think they are great and they can be that tipping point. They could really make a huge difference in your health, but I would never say this cures this. And listen, this might be true with certain things, or more true or less. If somebody has cancer, for instance, and they are asking, does an essential oil cure this? The answer is no. It's a resounding no. But it can absolutely be a great benefit as a part of that overall holistic protocol. Versus if somebody comes and tells you, hey, I've got acne, can tea tree oil help with that? Yes. The answer is yes. We all know tea tree oil can kill bacteria which causes acne and certain things which causes acne. But is that cure all? No. The answer is no. There could be other things which could be causing acne, zinc deficiencies, poor diet, but it can be used as an overall holistic program. I hope that makes sense. If you have any questions, feedback, comments, do post in the comment section below, and I'm going to end this session right here. So do subscribe to my channel so that I can keep making such videos for you. See you in the next video.